फ्लटर डेवलपमेंट इन्वायरमेंट सेटअप होना चाहिए और पैकेज जो इस पेपॉल की इंटीग्रेशन के लिए हमें रिक्वायर्ड है वो है flutter_पेपॉल के नाम से। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद इट। And now we need to open the project in VS Code. Okay, now open this project in VS Code. Open the main.dart file. In VS Code we need these extensions here. For Flutter, which one is Dart-Flutter, and ADB interface for VS Code if you want to connect your physical Android device with using Wi-Fi. And yeah, that's it. These are the extensions that we need in the VS Code to do the development of Flutter, and you can get the link of these extensions with ID in the video description. Next we go to the project, run open perspec.yml file and hit on download button, which will download all the dependencies or plugins which are required in this project. I think it's not run yet. See that information in output. Okay, and now open the lib main.dart file and run the project on the Android device. In my case, I have emulator running here. So if you are running any project first time on your PC, then it will take some time. It will depends on the internet connection speed which you have. Okay, so the simple app has been correctly set up. I just need to remove the predefined comments and code from the project and clear the screen and show simply a single button which will show text on it like pay with PayPal. whenever you do any changes in that and press Ctrl S, it will sync all the changes on the Flutter. Which this thing is called hot reload, which will inject all the changes in the Dart VM and update the widgets or rebuild the widgets. Okay, next we need to call this code actually. Okay, so next we need to download our package which we need to use here for PayPal integration. Hit Ctrl S or the download button, it will download this package. And then do the implementation of this package, and for that I will go to pub.dev and see the implementation details of this package, which is flutter_PayPal. Go to the installation section. Here's your example. And now here is you can see that the implementation is given here, that we need to pass this information to this package, and it's already have a page named as use PayPal, which will take some required information to show to the user and proceed all kind of payment details with it. I just need to copy and paste the on press button code from here, and came here to paste the code. Here is some specific information of your PayPal account, which one is client ID, client secret, return URL and cancel URL. So for that I need to make another file here, constants.dart, constant and place all these kind of things here. First one is client ID. Second is secret URL, return URL and cancel URL, and the next one is the client ID. So I will use this constant here like this. Client ID, client secret, secret key, and return URL like this. Comes here, so I need to import this class. I press Ctrl I from the keyboard or Ctrl space. It's not getting anything here. I need to come to the code and see what's the import path here. And yes, we got this and copy and paste here. It will still showing error. That means that this package haven't been installed yet. So I go to the terminal and run this command again, flutter pub get, to download the packages or dependencies. So as we can see here, no flutter package is defined here. Object.yaml file and see where we this thing here and run this command again. Okay, now the Flutter PayPal package have been downloaded, and some other packages also have been downloaded, which are the part of Flutter PayPal package. So now come to our code and see that Flutter underscore PayPal dot is not showing any error here. So here we are seeing another error, which is due to our code indentation. Okay, so whenever we add any package in our Flutter project, so we need to restart our app. So to restart, we need to stop the app and go to the main.dart file and run the project again on our device. So we are getting some error here, so let me show you that what is error and how we can solve it. Okay, so our WebView Flutter package needs minimum Android SDK up to 19. So as you can see here, we haven't added any WebView underscore Flutter package in our project yet. But the thing is, whenever we are using any plugin in our project, then that plugin or package already using some other plugins as part of their functionality. So this package is WebView Flutter is used in the Flutter PayPal package. So and the requirement of this package is to make the minimum SDK up to 19. So for that I will go to the build.gradle file at app level and find the value where is the minimum SDK value has been set. Okay, and need to comment this one, and in the new line I will write it here 19 and run the project again. Okay, so app has been successfully running, so I will click on pay with PayPal, and here we are seeing some errors here. So this is because we haven't given the proper information like client ID, client secret, and return URL, these kind of things. So for that, first of all, I just use these dummy return URLs here for return URL and cancel URL. So we cancel at end of this URL, and client ID and client secret, we will get these things from our PayPal developer account. So for that, I will go to PayPal/US/sign-in, and after login I will go to the developer options. Okay, and now again I will go to dashboard and click on developer dashboard option. Here on apps and credentials section, I will get this information here. Okay, now I think I need to go to the REST API app section and click on default application, and here I will get the sandbox account ID and client ID. I think we need here client ID and secret key. So here is the client ID. Need to copy it and paste it here. Okay, client ID will come here, and client secret key. Click on this show and generate new secret key. Okay, new secret key has been generated. It's on 10th March, so I will copy this one and paste here, and okay, now I just need to restart the app. Click on it again. Okay, and now I will click on pay with PayPal, and got this screen here where he will ask for to enter our account credentials. So as we don't have any user account yet, so PayPal provide us test accounts to test the implementation of the integration. So for that I will go to testing tools and sandbox accounts, and here I will see different test users. Here are 4 test users. Two accounts are personal and 2 are business. So I will click on first personal one, copy this username or email address from here and paste it there. And next thing is about the password. For that I will click on 3 dot button in view and edit account. Here I will see the password, copy this one and paste it, login. So it's showing the further details about the order, and this detail is fixed here, and you can change it according to the logic of your app, and show the total amount, currency, and further details here, detail of orders, items, and shipping address, things like this. Next I need to click on continue to review order. Okay, so it's been successfully done, I think, but we haven't seen any message on the screen yet. So what should we do here? As you can see here, we are seeing some things on the logs here, which also showing on success. So if I come to the implementation of our code, then you can see here when we use PayPal widget, I think it's a widget, yes, widget. In this widget we are passing some parameters here, which are sandbox, client ID, client secret, and on the bottom of this code you can see here that there is an on success method, on error, on cancel. So what we need to do is we need to show the information to the user that something is happened. If the payment is successfully done, then we need to show the message to the user that payment has been successfully done. So to show a message, we need to show a dialog. For that I will already created an helper function for that, so I will copy and paste it here in the helper, UI helper. Okay, and I will create a new folder here, names as helpers, and then UI helper.dart file, and the question is, what are helper functions? So helper functions are those functions which you use on different projects on different places, and the functionality of those functions is mostly same on every place. So you just need to use it. So rather than writing it those functions again and again in every project, we make a separate class for that and define all those functions there. So whenever we need them, we just copy and paste that code of helper function and use your own project. So it will do the development faster. So next is UI helper. This file, I press Ctrl I and here, and Ctrl I, Ctrl space, nothing is working here. Let's let's see what page we are using here. Navigation service. Okay, what's the use of this one? Okay, now it's working. No, it's not working. I need to go to the details of the paper integration and back to the file. Let's just save this all file and go to the our screen. So here we will show the UI helper dot show alert dialog with the message payment. Successful, and title would be success, and on error title will be error, and I'm able to complete reload the project. But before that, as you can see here, we are still getting the error that target UI doesn't exist. Flutter variable. Target UI doesn't exist. Flutter variable. I think for temporary basis, I just pass the context manually here. So for that, I will cdx restart the project or restart. I think it's perfectly restarted. We are not seeing any effect here because we are on the same screen, so that's why we are not seeing any glitch here. Click on pay with PayPal. Okay, so now we are seeing the unlimited progress bar here. So this is because we are getting some error here. Revert it back to the previous state.